So the Amazon Influencer Program, what do you need to get started? You need to have a social media account, a following in either Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Now, I've heard people with 200 followers get approved on TikTok. So, like, some people are saying, no, you have to have 1,000 followers. No, you have to have engagement. So if you have if you have a Facebook or a TikTok or an Instagram in a niche, in a subject, right? And people are commenting on all your photos. If there's engagement going on in there, well, that's what Amazon is really looking for. If you engage, you're an influencer. So an influencer gets engagement on their social media, and they want to get engagement on the social media because then you're going to promote products to your audience. That's the whole point of it, right? That's the whole point of it. So, the engagement is what's important. So if you're the kind of person who doesn't engage back, if people comment on your stuff, on your content, and you don't engage back, probably not, I would take a couple of weeks and start engaging with people in, my Facebook, my Instagram, my TikTok, my YouTube for sure. I got in with my YouTube channel. So you go to the sign-in page, and you can go do a Google search for the sign-in page, and you're going to sign in. They're going to give you an option to sign in with one of your social medias. You're going to take the social media with the best engagement, right? You have regular postings, whether it's every day or twice a week or once a week. You have a regular schedule for posts, and you engage with your audience, and your audience comments and likes and shares your content, right? That's the social media platform you want to use to apply for the program. Now, you're going to get almost an instant approval, right? Because it's automatic. It's a bot, basically. It's a bot. Right, so the bot is going to turn around and decide whether your channel is good enough, and you'll get approved right away. You'll get an email right away, right? And if you're not approved, it'll tell you what you need to do. Basically, it'll be a generic response, but it'll give you something in the direction of what you need to do to get approved, right? So you're going to get it approved automatically, but you're not done yet. You're not out of the woods yet. All that does, right? You're an Amazon influencer. And you get a storefront, okay? But you can post content on the storefront and drive traffic to the storefront, off-site traffic. That's where you are right now. You get approved, and that's where you're at, right? So you want to get approved for on-site commissions, right? Now, on-site commissions, if you want, there's something called the blue lock, and I'll show you where that is. I got whatever. I'm not going to show you where it is, but there's a blue lock on your account until you get it unlocked. Then you can't post your stuff. So like right now, my videos have the potential to be on the product pages. Down on the bottom, you'll see there's a carousel of videos, or up in the top, there's also a carousel of videos up there. So we make review videos, and they get posted up in those carousels. And when people click through and make purchases, we get commissions. So it's passive income because you make the review video one time, and that video could be watched 100 times a day, 200 times a day. And you could be doing something else, and that video is earning you money. It's passive income, right? So, but you're not out of the woods yet. So what they want to do to make sure that you're a qualified person to do videos, right? And you're not just putting up crap, is you're going to take 3 videos. They want you to upload 3 videos, your best videos, good lighting, good audio, there's a whole bunch of rules on to do it right, okay? So you get good videos, and then they're going to go through them to see that if you're approved, if you have good equipment, if you have good whatever they decide that day, because that's going to be a human being that's going to approve you. And sometimes that takes some time. It can take 2 weeks. There was a time it was taking 2 months. I think I got mine in 3 days, right? But you get 3 denials. You get 3 chances, right? You can get denied 3 times, right? Don't deny me 3 times, but 2 times, 3 times and you're out, right? 3 times and you're out. And you can't apply anymore. You'll be stuck just the storefront, right? But if you get your videos approved, then you can start uploading them to your storefront, and then Amazon will place them in places. Amazon will use them in ads. Amazon will put them in their Inspired tab. Amazon will put them on the product pages. Amazon will put them on the Amazon homepage, right? Yeah, and the good thing about it is the traffic is on Amazon. So the biggest problem with people making money online, right? You want to hear the secret? You want to zoom in and hear the secret? The biggest problem people have making money online is driving traffic to their offer, right? Is getting traffic to people, getting eyes on the offer, getting people to see it, right? So Amazon already has the traffic there. People are already going to Amazon, and your stuff happens to be there. They see it, they make a purchase, you're getting commissions. It's best of both worlds: passive income, right? And you're getting free traffic. You can't beat that at all. And that's the Amazon Influencer Program.